a lot of daylight still to come. Just like anything like awesome. You know, it is like doing mostly some good Mario stuff. And there was some obviously center points that since so, so like do some like us real stuff is very common, and it's not very often that this is like they is just so facile, but also unlikely. Good day. The storm is now like on the Atlantic Ocean, but it's maybe on its way to like the state since there's mostly some like a lot of winds today, and there's a lot of crowded crowd in the sun. This is one like days. It's very crowded. It's most likely not gonna be hitting no kind of. It's a possibility. I'm just like, ooh, this one may be on its way. That that that's today's vlog. Today, this vision, follow my socials.